Hello, welcome back again to NX tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will explore how to add bead that crossing bend corner. Now if you on picture below the process, first we have original shape in here. It has a bend corner in here. Next we do unbend to make it flat again, and then we add bead in here, and finally we do a rebend, so it become original shape with bead in here. Now for the tutorial goal, in this example, we will learn how to unbend original shape. So we're gonna make it flat in here, and then how to create beads as a stiffener, and then finally how to rebend so it's gonna be back to its original shape. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create bead, this one, and the bead itself a crossing on the bend edges in this one. So before we start to create bead, first thing you must do is unbend. Select face or edges as a stationary face, this one, and then for the bend we select this one. Click OK. Now after this we draw the bead. Select curve in here, select section, click OK. Now for example, we draw a bead, starts from here until here. Click finish. So this is the bead. We have option depth and option radius. Please notice the depth should be less or equal radius. If I insert a value larger than radius, it's alert, it's failed. It said depth must be less than or equal to radius. So it means the maximum depth for radius 5 millimeters is 5. So let's change become 3 again. And in here we have a round bead edges. This is sharp and this is round. And for the end condition, we also have form. This is the form shape, lens, and punch it. Let's return to form. Click OK when done. Now let's go back in here. We should rebend. Okay. Select bend faces. Now it will return to this original shape. We have a bend in here. Click OK. So that's it, how to create bead crossing the bend edges.